Alright, so here I was about 17 years old, so 20 years ago.
You're dead if you miss this, Jay.
Shut it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yep. You should have a look at this.
Can you fly over again?
Yep.
Did you get that?
Kev, how do I zoom it? Go on. How do I turn it off, Kev? Look at them, all good. I got that one somersaulting.
And that's my buddy Stemp.
Well, I'm sure we'll muddle our way through, boy. Oh shit, shit! You okay, Mark?
Yeah, that's still the same BMX track that we go to today. So in case you're wondering, guys, that was an early Schumacher Nitro 10.
Oh, that's serious.
This was a few years later, and a HBI Savage 21, I think it was, might have been a 25.
What are you doing now?
Yeah, still need a haircut.
Yeah. Silly quick, dude. And there goes Kev running. Look at him like a little girl. Dude, Do that one.